Hi everyone! Konnichiwa! I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today we will make Tempura Dipping Sauce, Tentsuyu in Japanese. Some of you may be planning to make tempura with this recipe. Tempura Dipping Sauce, Tentsuyu is also an essential to enjoy crispy tempura. You can find a variety of commercial products in supermarkets, but same as tempura, you can make easy and delicious tempura dipping sauce at home with using fewer ingredients. And as always, my furry family, Mario and Luigi, will be joining as our helpers. And during this video, I introduce useful cooking ideas and tips. So please watch in detail until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Okay, so tempura dipping sauce, Tentsuyu is ready. And today, I also prepared a pre-made Tentsuyu to compare the flavors. And this one is commercial one. I tried tasting the homemade one first. So it has a little sweetness of mirin. And you can taste a lot of umami flavor from the Dashi super stock. I think it's a key to differentiate the flavor. And overall impression is really soft. Okay, now let's try the commercial one. It's so salty. First, even the color is like this light color. It has strong saltiness. And I felt a little bit chemical inside. And artificial umami makes the tone feel delicious. Wow, so different. I never compared before like this, so it was very interesting. ごちそうさまでした。Okay, so here are the tips and recommendations of today's recipe. Tip: if you like the dipping sauce a bit more sweet, I recommend to add a teaspoon of sugar. Tip: it's also good to add grated daikon radish in the dipping sauce. Grated daikon radish is good for digestion as well as eliminating the greasiness of tempura. So those are the recommendations and tips for today's menu. How was tempura dipping sauce recipe? I would be happy if you could enjoy the restaurant quality tempura at home. And if you watch this video for the first time, thank you for coming. I introduce easy, simple, and yummy Japanese recipes, including baby meals, and kids meals, and also desserts. So please don't forget to subscribe. And dear my subscribers, thank you for always supporting and liking my videos. Your like button motivates me to create new informative videos. So don't forget to push the like button down below. And special thanks to Mario and Luigi. Mario-kun, ありがとうね. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Have a great day, great weekend, and a wonderful new week. We will see you next time. Bye bye!